Are you a content creator looking to maximize your video reach and impact? Let's explore how SoloAdsKing.com can revolutionize your video creation strategy. What is the primary benefit of using SoloAdsKing for your video promotion? A. Targeted traffic. B. Email marketing. C. Social media ads. D. Organic growth. The correct answer is A. Targeted traffic. SoloAdsKing specializes in connecting you with specific audiences interested in your niche, boosting your video's relevance and engagement. Which type of content creator benefits most from SoloAdsKing's services? A. Indie creators. B. Gaming streamers. C. Educators. D. Large corporations. The correct answer is A. Indie creators. SoloAdsKing levels the playing field, allowing independent creators to reach niche audiences without massive marketing budgets. What is a key advantage of using SoloAdsKing compared to traditional advertising methods? A. Cost effectiveness. B. Higher CPM. C. Brand awareness. D. Guaranteed views. The correct answer is A. Cost effectiveness. SoloAdsKing offers a budget-friendly way to target your ideal audience, maximizing your return on investment. Thanks for exploring SoloAdsKing.com. Ready to take your video content to the next level? Visit SoloAdsKing.com today and unlock your content's true potential.